No one ever expects to get into a car accident, but according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, one occurs every 60 seconds. So it's best to know a few things you should do if it ever happens to you. After you have stopped, call 911 immediately if you feel you or your passengers have been seriously injured. Get to safety if you are able to. Move to the side of the road or a sidewalk. Even if you are not injured, still call 911, since calling the police is important whether the accident is a minor fender bender or a major collision. In some states, it's legally required. If a second vehicle is involved in the crash and the second driver is not hurt and able to do so, exchange this important information after an accident. Full name and contact information of the driver, insurance company and policy number, driver's license and license plate number, type, color, and model of vehicle, date, time, and address or closest cross streets where the accident occurred. It's also important to know the direction both cars were going. Remember what police officers showed up. Get a copy of the accident report and take down names of all involved plus witnesses. And of course, take pictures of both vehicles from different angles showing the damage done. This is a lot easier now than it used to be. And one last suggestion, never admit responsibility for the accident. If you expect the insurance company to take care of your claim, let them do the talking.
You can get great Chevron gasoline and diesel at Klahanie Service Center. Klahanie Service Center is in the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center.